3, 2, 1. Yo, what's up guys, Razor here, welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I'm recording Keydrop, $888 on my balance. Before I start, don't forget to use my promo code Razor Affiliate, 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. How to use it? Click top right corner, add funds. In a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply. On left side you can find payment methods. You can pay by skins, you can pay by Visa card, MasterCard, crypto, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, gift cards and more. Also, if you're looking for free gold, just click on left free gold section, scroll down and you can find steps how to claim it. Follow Keydrop on Instagram, join on Keydrop Facebook group, follow Keydrop on Twitter and more. Just scroll down to find all steps. Okay, I got 17k, so let's open one case with gold. Which one? Maybe let me see. Let's open this one case. Felt cave, come on, Brusky. Oh, so close. Ursus knife fade, so close. But this one is hit 7.86. Okay. Let's start with case battle, guys. Also, you can join on free case battles. Just find icon free, green icon, and you can join on free case battle. So I will create my own case battle with YouTuber cases. This one, 10 of them. Okay, $270 case battle. Let's create, waiting for player to join. Okay, come on. 10 cases. First one, AK Asimo, $44. That's nice. Come on, just keep profit here. I need big profit. I lead with $48. Come on. Need knife. I need knife, please. Only bait for karambit. Come on. Just hit me one knife. Only one knife. $55. Come on, that's low, bro. I need more. Case battle is 270. So, oh my gosh, imagine karambit. 2 more cases. Come on, dude. What the hell, please. Last one. Okay, I win, but it's not profit. That's not profit. Okay, I'll try with upgrade maybe. Upgrade 2 skins. Try with 2x probably. 2x. Which knife? This one knife. Huntsman Ultraviolet. Come on. Okay, I got it. Finally, I got it. Okay, I will try to contracts AKs. Let me see. Lead build. Okay. How much? $26. So let's create contract. Okay, this one $30. That's not bad. Let's see another one with USP. Ticket to hell. Okay, this one I give $9. Not bad. Let's try to upgrade. Upgrade this one P90. Try to hit 5x maybe. Come on. Okay, this one unlucky. One more 10x. 9%. Okay, unlucky, one more. Unlucky, one more. Let me see this one. AK 5x 17%. Stop. Oh my god, no way. Guys, on Keydrop you can join on tournaments, events, giveaways. You can check this one event, major event. You can find cases of major event. You can upgrade your skins, you can do case battles and more. Let's open 5 of lurker cases. Let's see. $25. $25, come on. Okay, only 8.79. Let's try with 5 more. Imagine knife, guys. Okay, 3 more now. 3 more and I'm out. Come on. Okay, this one AVP, how much? 18, okay. 21. I'll try to open YouTuber cases, maybe black cases. 3 of them, come on. $18. Looking for profit. Oh my god, Open again. Come on, Brusky, please hit. I need profit. I need 1 knife maybe. Yo, no way. Okay, let's try with upgrade. Let me see, upgrade. Okay, how much? 31. Try to hit 5x maybe. Which knife? Maybe gloves. Diamond back gloves. So let's add little balance. Okay, 30%. Come on. Don't be dead, please. No way. I lost. Okay, let's create new one. Case battle, knife case battle maybe. This one, come on. Let's join. Nobody joined. Let's add bot Lepagi. Shout out to Lepagi, come on. Please, Brusky. Please win. No way. Only $10. Let's create one more. Let's try with one more. Please, Brusky, join. Okay, Hunter joined. Please be left. Win. Left now. Left. Razor. What the hell, guys? Okay, I will create one more case battle. Let's try with fan cases 3. Let's try with, I don't know. Maybe 3 of them. And 3 Lord. Okay, let's see this one case battle. 9 cases. Waiting for player to join. $116 case battle. Okay, I will add one more bot. Okay, one player already joined. Holy, come on. 9 cases. Oh my gosh. Vulcan AK. No way. Let's start Vulcan AK. Come on, hit me one knife only, please. One knife, please. Okay, comeback is real, guys. 6 more cases, please. He lead with 160, bro. Please. Only knife. Only one knife and I'm good, please. $72, please, one knife. Last one case. Don't be dead, please, don't be dead. Oh my god, unlucky this one. Unlucky this one, guys. Okay, last one case, but seven sharp cases. Let's add 3 players. So let's see this one. Okay, let's try with what's this one. Case vessel, please. Don't be dead now. Don't be dead now. Only 9 cases. Oh my god, Botle Pudgy with 824. No way, no way. Come on, bro, please. Oh my gosh. Last one case, come on. Unlucky, that's so unlucky. GG. Okay, I will try to upgrade my knife, guys, so let's try, let's see now. All skins, $215. Looking for, I don't know. This one, Huntsman knife. Okay, please, bro. 45%. Guys, come on. 3, 2, 1, go. Please. Please be right. Please be right. Okay, okay, I got it. I got it, guys. I got it. 432. That's amazing. That's amazing. So, top right corner, add fonts in a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply. 10% at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. Guys, thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye.